Leetcode daily problem 2418 sort the people marked as easy. This problem gives us two iteratables, names and heights, where each index in names corresponds to that index's specific height. So Mary over here is 180, I don't know, centimeters, 180 units, and John over here is 165 units, centimeters, whatever. So immediately whenever you see such a problem where we want to correspond something to something, we can use Python's dictionaries. We can use a hash map in general coding. So hash map in Python is represented using dictionaries. So the problem is quite easy to interpret and also implement. I've used Python to solve this problem. So the height map over here is a default dictionary. The default dictionary is so that it does not throw any no key present or no key error. And we iterate through the name and height using this zip function, which helps us iterate over two lists or anything that is iteratable. So we correspond this specific height to the name, since it will go one by one. So from 0th index 0, 1, 2. So the names will be the height will be equal for the specific index, and then we extract all the heights via the dot keys function in Python, and now we just sort those keys in ascending order. So now what we do is we need the descending order of these keys, since we want the descending height as the problem asks. So hence we iterate over the heights in ascending order, but then reverse it. You can also do we can also iterate over the reversed sort over here. Both of them work, that is not a problem. So we iterate over every height in the height map, and it will return you the value for it, that is, say, Mary, John, Emma, whatever, and it will return a list which it asked for. And this is most probably the most efficient solution to this problem. And we can submit and see that yes, 93% beats 93%. It is quite efficient. So talking about the time complexities, we are using a hash map. So the space complexity over here is additional space is O of n. We are iterating over these two values. This is just O of n, since iteratables are O of n, a single loop. This is 1. This sort function over here is O of n log n, right? This sort function is O of n log n, and the final output is just and the final time complexity will just be O of n log n, since when you add these up, this is the thing. The space complexity will be O of n, O of just n, O of just n. So that is it for this video. Let me know if there are any questions.